Before starting this course, I certainly knew what infographics are, but I never paid much attention to them in terms of a concept and understanding or an idea. But ever since I started this course, I've been paying more closer attention to the use and application of infographics. Now, from Wikipedia this morning, I retrieved a definition of infographics. It says infographics are visual or graphic visual representations of information, data, or knowledge intended to present information quickly and clearly. They can improve cognition by utilizing graphics to enhance the human visual system's ability to see patterns and trends. Now, the video that I found um, on lynda.com/linkedin.com was like it's really an hour and about an hour and 42 minutes long, and so I'll just stop the video there because I won't be able to go through all the videos within the given time frame of my own presentation here. But just want to let you know that to the right, underneath this little section here, it gives a list of links with different lists of related topics for the presentation. To learn more, you have changing the page dimensions, importing stock infographic elements, creating your own infographic shapes, PowerPoint icon graphics, and adding text boxes. And it goes all the way down to 7 and a conclusion. In terms of how to create a playlist, what I actually did, and I'm not sure if I did this correctly, but to the my computer's a bit slow, but to the right under this section here, I went and I did add to collection, and I was able to play around with that and add some information so I could find my video again. And in terms of finding value in these video lessons, I particularly find the lynda/linkedin.com to be useful because the lessons are of such that I can learn at my own pace and I can revisit the concept, the contents, and the ideas. As well as, I should say, the presenters are very detailed in their explanation of concepts, and they're very on point. For example, when I learned how to create a web page for the previous lessons gone, just from watching the video here in lynda/linkedin.com, and that the knowledge and that I gained from that have really helped me to create my portfolio pages, and without that I certainly would not be able to do that as required by the course, and to do that well. So I really find a lot of value in learning from lynda/linkedin.com.